Hey, welcome to the Hiker's Eye View. This episode is a November hike under cloudy skies. We had to tramp through a lot of water. We saw a whole family of pigs, a mama, a papa, and a little one, and it was a really nice day. Here's the Hiker's Eye View on Saturday, November 16th, 2024. We're in the Water Management District lands north of Cypress Creek Natural Area. And it's a pretty nice day. Alright, here we are in the cypress swamp. Thank the Lord for muck boots. Yep, we walked through that. And yep, we walked through that too. Brown one and a black one. And then we saw this family of pigs. There's a third. Yes, I see that. I think it's a family. There's a much bigger one that just came out. Yeah. So I thought it was mama, papa, and baby. There were some cool flowers around. And some spacey skies. Bright looking things. And a hopeful sky too.